Hi fam, Random Chick here, and today we're doing a review on both of these, okay? The reason why I say both of these, and I know they look the same, okay, this on this side, this bigger box, is the fake one. This one is the real one. Okay, I was highly disappointed because of the fact I didn't know that they made one that was fake. I thought that they only made the real one. Okay, I bought this one off of Walmart.com thinking, okay, it's Walmart. I'm not going to get ripped off. Um, you know, it's Walmart pretty much. And the whole time I'm thinking, okay, Walmart has to sell the real one, which Walmart did sell the real one, but not on the site. On the site, this one was $30, which I didn't know the original price of these. So I'm thinking, okay, $30. This has to be legit, you know. Actually, the real one was $60. And I'm going to show you the difference besides just the boxes. How different. I mean, as you can tell, it looks the same. You know, the picture on the front. The side of the real box shows that. The side of the fake one shows this. Okay, and then it shows that. Let me see what this side shows. That side shows that. This side shows that. Now let me just say, the fake one come fully charged already. I used it. It wasn't a bad product. It worked good and everything. Here's the thing. The charger that it come with did not come with a wall charger, which the real one does come with a wall charger. This only come with the Razor and the USB cord. However, this thing would not charge at all. So I advise you to keep away from this, as far away as you can of the fake one, because yeah, I mean, this product was highly, highly disappointing. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because, you know, a lot of you may think, oh, I have the real one, when, you know, you might think that you have this one, when in reality, you have a fake knockoff version. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference, how you can tell between the two, other than the box, if it's fake. Okay, so first and foremost, the fake one is going to have a pamphlet that is huge like this. And if you can tell between the two, which I will show you the devices and what they look like, these two are not the same color. This one is more of a pastel purplish pink. This one, which is the real one, the smaller one's the real one, this is the fake one. This is more of a purple pastel pink. This one is more of a pastel pink in person. And the manuals, they kind of look the same. That's the inside of the fake one. Okay, if you want to pause that and look better, here's the inside of the real one. So that's the real one. And there's the fake one. And I was so disappointed between the two, because this one, which was the fake one, clearly did not work. It was fully charged, came fully charged. The power cord on this thing didn't even fit proper in the back. You would put it in and it would wiggle loosely. And when I plugged it into the wall, on the back of this, on the back of this Razor, which I'm going to show you, there is a light that indicates red if it's charging and green if it's fully charged. This thing didn't charge at all. This new one that I just now recently purchased, it charged. However, I did get my money back for this fake one. But for everybody that is shopping through sites like Walmart.com and stuff like that, be aware, because they couldn't even get in contact with a seller of this one for me. What they did is Walmart.com themselves refunded my money back. And I'm just saying that be highly aware, if you buy this product, you do want to spend the $60 and you do not want to spend the $30 because this thing right here was not worth it. Now, let me show you the devices. Okay, so here is both of the devices. I'm gonna let you pause. I'm gonna let myself pause for a minute. Which one do you think is the fake one? I'll give it a second. Okay, well, if you said this one was the fake one, then you are correct. As you can tell, and even, let me show you the difference, okay? Here's how you can tell if it's the fake one or not. I know they look so much alike, but get this. See this is the real one. Do you see the difference? Look at that writing compared to that writing. Okay. There's also a color difference. I don't know if you can pick, if my camera's picking it up, but do you see how light colored pink this is compared to this? This is more in person like a purplish pink pastel. This is a pastel pink. So there's a color difference. This is the real one, by the way. This one's the fake one. You flip it over, there is a big difference in the blade. It's supposed to be 14 karat gold, which I believe that this one is plates. But as you can see, this one looks more brass looking plates compared to this. Now, let me just say this, okay? I was actually going to keep this because I thought, hey, if I buy a new one, I can keep this for a backup, and this new charger will work on this one, which that did not work. The charger wouldn't even fit this one. Okay, they both, let me show you. They both say, I don't know if you can see that or not. You probably can't. Okay, yeah. They both say max input 5V equals 1A. Okay. And both plug-in spots look like that. But here's the thing. The charger, which is the same on this one. Let me show you if I can get it to focus. Max input 5V 1A. Okay, the charger that goes to this, it will not even fit this, and I will show you that. And I don't know who made this or what they was thinking about when they made this, but it's highly it sucks. Okay, let's flip it back over. Another surefire way to tell if you have the fake or the real is this one on this side. The camera's not really picking it up. But it shows this part up here is more of a pearl white. This one is just a dull white. This one is shiny like pearl. Can you tell that? Can you see the difference? This one's pearl. This one's just plain white. Okay. Everything else though, like if I didn't tell you and you was in a store and you seen both of these sitting side by side, you would just think that it was a different color unless I explained it to you that this is a fake knockoff. And trust me, it's not a good fake knockoff. If you want the real, spend the extra $30 and get the real deal, because this one, no. I am so mad and disappointed in Walmart. So yeah, let me show you the cord now. Okay, so in the real box, what you're going to receive a little brush like this. You're going to receive a power cord like this. And I can't do a comparison of the power cord because it's the power cord that I bought with the fake one. This is all the real, by the way. The power cord that I bought with the fake one, it just snapped in two. It was so cheap. I mean, this power cord looks like a charging cord to a telephone. The only difference is, yes, it's a USB, but see that charging cord, what it looks like? Now, you see what that charging cord looks like. Now, let me show you. This is the fake one that takes the same, yeah, this is the fake one that takes the same charger. As you can see, you see what the end of the charger looks like. Now, it looks like it's going to fit, right? Let me show you. Okay, so check this out. Now, that's the end of it, and it looks like it is going to fit that. Look. Now, let's try to get that to fit. Okay, there's the plug-in. Well, let me move my fat finger so I can show you. Look, that's as far as it goes. It will not go any further. It's supposed to be the same charging thing. You get what I'm saying? And this cord did not come with the fake one. This come with the real one. But they both say the same, 5V equal 1A. Now watch. Watch the real one. Watch the difference. This is the real one. Now watch. I don't even have to press hard to get it in there. Look at that. See the difference? That's all the way in. So whatever you do, please do not buy the fake one. Don't be fooled and buy the fake one, because you're going to be highly disappointed. You're not even going to be able to charge this thing. I'm just saying. So let's push the fake one aside. I just wanted everybody to be aware of the knockoff and the real one. This is the real one. This is the cord. How the cord's going to look. It's going to be a thick cable. This little brush comes with it. And also the real one comes with a block. And the fake one, which is this one, was supposed to come with a block. It did not come with the wall block at all. The only thing that I got in the box with this was I got one of these bags. I got a little brush. I got the razor itself, and I got the cord, which the cord would not even attempt to fit in this. So, yeah. And you know, so let's open up the blades and show you the difference between each one. Okay, fam. So this one is the real one down here. This one is the fake one up here. As you can see, these are better quality. They're black, and yeah, they're just all around better looking quality. Now, they do look the same, although they are different colors. Sorry, this one has hair in it. I've not cleaned it, so it looks yucky. I used this twice before the thing went down, and I did not clean it out yet. But you could tell the difference between the two. And that's what that one looks like. This is what the real one looks like. So there's the fake. There's the real. Although I was going to try and sacrifice the fake one just for the heads, the blade heads. So I would have 4 extra blade heads and I wouldn't have to go out and buy more blades. Apparently, this thing won't even fit on here. It won't even fit the new one. So this thing is such a knockoff that the blades are not even exactly, they're not even exactly the same. Yeah, they look the same, apparently. And they look the same on both ends, but it won't even fit this. So, I hope you enjoyed this video of the fake and the real, and I hope that you have some insight if you go to buy this razor. I will be doing an updated video telling you exactly how good this real one works. The fake one, although, I'm not going to tell you how it worked or how it went. Let's just say it did not work bad. But the thing is, what is a razor if it won't charge? You know, if you give me a razor and the cord don't even fit right and it don't charge, what is the point in that razor, period? So, I just wanted to give a lot of people some insight on the real plus the fake, just in case there's people buying this fake one and they're highly disappointed because they're experiencing the same problems that I've experienced. And like I said, I got both of these from Walmart. That one up there come from Walmart.com, which is the fake one. The real one come from the actual Walmart store. So, I hope, like I said, I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. And also, I will be doing a review video on the new one, letting you know exactly everything. I'll also do a new unboxing on the new one, which I've already unboxed it, but I'll read off the manual and stuff like that and let you know what to expect when you buy this razor. So, yeah, be on the lookout for that follow-up video. Again, thanks for watching and have a blessed day.